Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the unboxing and the review of the Boult X10 Pro. Guys, this is the latest earbuds which is released by Boult. So this is completely new in the market. And guys, you won't believe the price. I bought this for $9.99. So by far this is the best and the cheapest earbuds that I bought from Boult. And I would highly recommend you guys to buy the same. And guys, I am going to tell you why this is considered the best from me so far for this budget and for this price segment. So watch this video till the end while I'm going to show you the cons and the pros, as well as the unboxing and the review of the Boult X10 Pro. So let's open the box. So this is how it came. I got a parcel from Amazon and this was enclosed within the box. And now let's open the box and I'll show you the content inside. So as you can see, this is an extended warranty of Boult for 3 months. And this is the user instructions. Let me just open it for you. So this is how the user instructions look like. So let's keep this aside. And guys, here you can see is the base and the box of the earbuds. So let me show you the box very clearly. So this is how it looks like. And to be very frank, it feels very firm and sturdy in the hands. So while I'm holding it in the hands, it is huge and you can feel it very comfortable. And the build quality for me by far is not pretty bad, because for this price segment, getting something this worthy is hard to find. And we have the accessories box here. Let me open it for you guys and show you what's inside. So let me just open it for you. So we get the charging cable, the USB Type-C cable with the box of the accessory. So as you can see, this is the Type-C cable. And now let's quickly open the box. So guys, these are our earbuds. So let me just show you the earbuds completely. So as you can see guys, the design is dynamic and you have the LED notification as well, for you to get notified whether it is connected to your device. So as you can see, the build quality of the earbuds is very amazing. This was hard for me to tell with the price segment. And here you can see it is the right earbuds. So you get the right and the left earbuds notification as well from the indication provided in the earbuds. So as you can see, by far the build quality of the earbuds and the box is pretty amazing for this price segment. So for build quality, I would rate it 8 out of 10. And for this price, it is very unbelievable for me to expect something so good. So the design is dynamic and you even have the LED notification with the box as well. So when you're charging it, it glows. So let me talk about the specifications for you guys. And the reason why I'm going to talk about the specification is because this will surprise you. This has the latest Bluetooth 5.3. So you can get all your latest Android devices and you get a lot more additional features with the 5.3 Bluetooth option. And the surprising part is you have 45 hours of play time. So there is 45 hours of standby with the box and the earbuds. And you have the 10mm drivers. So you can expect a huge bass in the sound quality. And as well as the quality of the sound, I would tell you that this is fabulous. And you have the quad mic with the ENC for the noise cancellation. It works pretty decent, have no complaints by far. But sometimes when you're traveling or when you are in a noisy place, this will have some troublesome in the noise for the receiver, and you get 9 hours of playtime and the battery standby when you're having the earphones connected. So you can browse, you can surf, you can game for 9 hours straight with one single charge. And apart from that, you have 50 ms latency frequency. So this means your earbuds are not going to lag when you're playing a game. So what usually happens with the low quality earbuds is that when you're playing a game, it takes a lot of time to recognize the motion of the game. For suppose you're playing a PUBG game, and when you're shooting a player, it takes some time to reflect in your sound. So this has been reduced. And talking about the touch control, let me explain you how this works. So let me take my earbud out, and over here you can see where it is glowing. So the single touch will pause or stop the music, and again a single touch will start a music. And if you do double touch, it will play the next song. So for the right hand side of the earbud, it will play the next song, and for the left hand side of the earbud, it will play the previous song. And the right hand side, when you tap it thrice, it will increase the volume, and for the left hand side, it will decrease the volume. And if you hold this continuously, it will unlock the Siri. So you can use your Google Assistant, or if you have an Android device, you can use Siri in the iPhone or iOS, and for Android you can use Google Assistant. So guys, this is pretty much the best earbuds that I would recommend you. And for you guys, so that you do not miss out the offer, I have mentioned the link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and it will directly take you to this earbuds page where you can buy it for $9.99. And to be very frank and honest with you guys, this is the best earbuds that I found for $9.99. So I would recommend you guys to buy it, and you can even let me know in the comment section how you found about this earbuds. And so far that was all for the video guys. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you found this informative. If you guys did, make sure to hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to not miss out any content further. So that was all for the video guys. Thank you for watching it till the end.